Google Chrome extensions can add new functionality to the browser and make your work more convenient and efficient. Let's look at how you can install extensions in an Octo Browser profile. Check the storage settings in the profile options. Extensions must be enabled. Launch the profile. In the browser window, click the menu in the upper right corner, find Extensions, and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can choose and install an extension just like in a regular browser. When you close the profile, its data will synchronize, and the new extension will appear in the General Extension list in the profile settings. If you are working in a team, other team members will see it as well. You can also install extensions without launching the profile. On the Profile Extensions tab, click Add a new extension. Paste a Chrome Web Store link into the field. To ensure the extension updates automatically, keep the Auto Update option enabled. Now click Add, and the extension will appear in the list. If you need to install a custom extension that is not available in the Web Store or an older version of a store extension, you can install it from a file. Select the required file on your disk and click Add. After the extension has been added to the browser, it will appear in the list and will be ready to use. You can also install an extension from a file using developer mode. You can read about this method in our documentation. You'll find the link below the video. Once the required extensions have been added, you can quickly connect them to any profile. You can also edit extensions across multiple profiles at once. Select the desired profiles in the profile list, then click Extensions in the Bulk Actions menu. Here you can add or remove extensions for all selected profiles at once. All extension data is stored in the cloud and protected just as securely as your profile data. If you still have any questions left, please consult the documentation by following the link in the video description. You can also contact our customer service using the dedicated button in the browser, the official website, or the Octo Telegram bot. Subscribe to the Octo Browser channel to be the first to see new tutorial videos.